Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing my first ever Korean sunscreen by Skin1004. It's called Hyalu-Cica Sun Stick. So sit back and get ready as I give you all the detailed info on this product. Today I'm back with a review of my first ever Korean sunscreen. I have been dying actually to try Korean sunscreens. I've been reading about them online and I've heard a lot of people talking about them. So after chatting with a girl on Reddit, she told me that I would love Korean sunscreen, so I went ahead and purchased one on my latest skincare haul. I recently made a big purchase of some of my favorite products and also new products on Yes Style. So you can read the full review on the blog of my latest Korean skincare shopping haul, where it has all the in-depth descriptions of the products, plus my review on each of the products and my thoughts of my Old Faithfuls that I use regularly, plus a bunch of new reputable products that I tested out as well. So you got to go over to the blog and check that out. Anyway, I was excited to get my first Korean sunscreen, and I chose a brand that I know very well called Skin1004. It's a brand that is well known in Korea, and it focuses on a main ingredient called Centella Asiatica. And Centella Asiatica is good for inflammation in the skin, for healing, and also for protecting your skin barrier. So I was like, let me go with a brand that I know and trust. So I purchased Skin1004's Hyalu-Cica Sun Stick. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the review on why I love this product and why it worked for me and what didn't work for me. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. The Hyalu-Cica Sun Stick is a chemical sunscreen that contains skin-loving ingredients like Centella Asiatica and hyaluronic acid, plus other botanical extracts. I first tested the product out on my hand. This invisible sunscreen glides on smoothly for a soft, velvety finish. Now I'm going to try the product on my face, so stay tuned for the full review. So let's get right into it. I'm going to try this product for the very first time with you guys. So here goes. Just gonna get the stick. Okay, so it glides on really easily. That I can say. As you can already see, the product is transparent, which is good for me because I'm of a darker skin tone and I like transparent sunscreens. I don't like anything that leaves a white cast, and this sunscreen does not leave a white cast. So that is very good. I'm gonna put some on my lips because it's a stick, so I'm gonna put it everywhere. I'm gonna get it around my eyes and everywhere that I could possibly get, so I can protect my skin against harmful UV rays. So, my first impression. Well, it's not greasy and it's not, like thick. It glides on smoothly. When I pass my fingers over my face, it just glides smoothly, and I don't look like an oil slick, which is a major thing for me because I've tried stick sunscreens before, and I had one that I tried and I was just greasy and I didn't look good. So that was one of my major things. So this one will definitely not leave you greasy. It glides on. When I touch my fingers, I can feel something. I want to say it feels kind of like a powdery kind of, feel on my fingertips, but there's nothing on the fingers, obviously, but it gives me a powdery feel on my fingertips. And when I glide my fingers across my face, it's kind of like a smooth, silky kind of feel. So I definitely like that. I don't know how it's going to wear long term. What I'm going to do right now is go outside for a couple of hours, and then I will come back to you with my first thoughts for the first day, because this is my first wear and I've never worn this sunscreen before. So I will be back with you guys in a little while to let you know my final thoughts on this product for the first time. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. I have been outside for the past 3 hours. I had to run some errands, go to the bank, and had a quick meeting. So I was able to see how this product worked outdoors on my skin. So I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So let's get into that. Number 1, invisibility. Is this product invisible, and does it leave a white cast? No, it does not. This product is completely invisible, 100% invisible, leaves no residue, and does not leave a white cast. I know this is very important for a lot of people of darker skin tones. So for you dark skin girlies out there, this product leaves no white cast. I mean, how many times have you bought a sunscreen that says no white cast, invisible, and it's not invisible and it leaves you looking like a ghost? This product does what it says it's going to do, so it gets an A++ for invisibility. Number 2, texture, consistency. This product also gets an A+. I loved it. I love the way it made my skin look healthy and glowing as opposed to oily. That was a big thing for me when choosing this sunscreen. I was worried if it was going to be too oily for me, because I've bought sunscreens in the past that made me look like an oil slick, and like I just put olive oil all over my face, and this wasn't the case. I love the texture of the product. It was smooth, it glides on easy, and left a silky finish and left me with a healthy looking complexion, as what we say in French, bonne mine. This product left me with bonne mine, meaning I had a healthy glow, so I was happy with that. I also reapplied it once while I was outside. The same thing. No problem, no issues. I was not oily, there was no residue, no white cast. I still looked healthy and glowing, and I really liked how the product glides on your face and how it sits on your skin and protects your skin from the UV rays. So I was happy with that. So I'll give it an A+ for that. And for functionality, I will give it an A++. It was convenient, easy to use. I popped it in my bag. When I was ready to reapply, I took it out. The reapplication was seamless, easy to use. I popped it right back in my bag. The sunscreen is very small. It fits easily in the palm of my hand, so it can go in a bag of any size. So that was really good. I am someone who likes to reapply my sunscreens every 2 to 3 hours at most. So I like something that is functional, and I always opt for a stick or a spray when I'm outdoors, because it's just easy to reapply and it's not messy, and I don't have to use my hands in case my hands are dirty. So I really liked how this product was functional. So it gets an A++ for functionality. I wasn't able to see how this product works under makeup, so I cannot comment on that, but you might be able to use it under makeup. But I can definitely say you won't be able to use it over your makeup. And the reason why I say this is that the stick glides across your skin, so it's definitely going to smudge your makeup. So you don't want to use this over makeup, but you can try under your makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in a future video after I've used this product for a while and let you know how it works for me under my makeup. I'm going to continue to use this product only because it's more than a sunscreen. It has a lot of skin loving ingredients and botanical extracts. So I want to see how those botanical extracts work on my skin over time. And like I said, I will come back to you with a future video. If you want to read the full review, go to the blog www.thebeautydisruptor.com. You will see the full review with the ingredient list and where to buy the product. So yeah, go to the blog and check that out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Visit my Patreon. Go over there and join the Patreon community and join the Beauty Disruptors. There's a lot of information on health, wellness, skincare product, anti-aging, self-care, and all of these things are important during the aging process. So if you want to learn how to look your best at any age, go and join my Patreon now. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, my beauties. Bye.